What we're selling here today is a 1982 International S2500 little single axle road tractor. Truck has got, I believe that is an M11 Cummins in it, a 10-speed transmission. The truck runs and drives, starts good. It starts good in the cold weather. Starts good every time we went to it. It started good. Tires are decent on the trailer. We had to replace one tire on the back right. It's a little single axle road tractor. It's got a hitch on the back. There's the tire we had to replace right there. The tractor has been a yard spotter at one time. It had an air lift fifth wheel on it. That's not with it anymore. Just a standard fifth wheel, but that big old tank was the air tank for that. But truck runs good, drives good. S2500 International Cummins engine. Starts and runs good. We'll look on the inside of it here. Truck's decently clean inside and out. That's the controller for that fifth wheel that was in it. 10-speed transmission. Like I said, it's not rusted out anywhere. Runs good, holds good air pressure. S2500 International. For sale on Tractor House Auction Time.